Now, as we're getting closer to the Firefly sub-brand official launch, we'll see how the interior looks like. It appears that today we already saw how the interior of that model looks like, uncamouflaged, nothing hidden, which is something that is great because I see on the screen you notice that the Firefly sub-brand, it's looking so pretty decent, with the interior of this sub-brand looking like it's close in overall design style of the Neo, which the interior of this model, it's almost close in terms of style to the main brand model Neo, which is something that is pretty exciting. I mean, you'll notice that this car is going to utilize a horizontal screen, which, by the way, on the facelifted models that are going to be launched this year, they are going to have the horizontal screen, which is something that is great, something that is very exciting. I think we can safely say that this car is clean. This car can be expected to do very well. Top speed of this car, I think it's 150 kilometers per hour, which is something that obviously it shows you that it's not that fast, but again, it's a car that can take you places. I mean, we know that it will be using a small battery, and when Neo launched this car during Neo Day on the 21st of December last year, they indicated that the starting price of this car is around 148,000 RMB or $20,000, which shows you that this is a model that, or a sub-brand model, that will be selling pretty well, because the starting price of this car is the starting price of the Onvo L60 with a battery. You will know that when you buy an Onvo L60 with a battery, this is the price that you will get, or that you buy the car or the Onvo L60 with battery as a service. And now this is the price of the Firefly sub brand with a battery. Without a battery, we don't know, it might go towards $10,000. and once we get that official price release, I'm telling you it's going to be lights out. You will remember that this model Neo is expecting to start with sales around April, and I tell you, the price of this car with battery as a service, it will be a very critical figure, a critical point, because guess what, this car might get closer to $10,000, which, if that is the case with bus, I'm telling you, it's lights out. So anything over $10,000 is what we can expect. But one thing that we need to bear in mind is that obviously this car is going to be using small batteries, which might not necessarily subtract the $10,000 which we've been seeing from Neo, from Onvo. You will know that this battery as a service, which entails you buying the Neo car, the Onvo car without a battery, this is the amount that it reduces, around $10,000. It is cut off from the purchase price of the car, which with this one, because it's a small battery, one has to wonder if it will be $10,000. I don't think so, but I can tell you it will be below $15,000, which this will be a very strong selling point for Firefly. A lot of people, they are underestimating Firefly because of its design, because of its looks, because what Neo did with this car is that they did something that has never been seen out there in the market. The car, it has got six headlights, and this is something that we have never seen. And because of this, so many people are saying it might not do as well, but I tell you, because the fact that it's different, you might see it outselling, outpacing, outperforming even what Neo expected. I mean, already Neo told us that the pre-orders have surpassed their expectations, which this already tells you that so many people are really fascinated about going out there and buying this car. And therefore, because of this uniqueness that this car possesses, it might do exceptionally well. So I look forward to the official unveiling of the Firefly sub brand. The best better watch out, short sellers better watch out, because Neo is coming, Neo is cooking, and based off what the CEO told us, we are to expect to see quite a number of models coming, including Neo 2025 facelift models, and I am looking forward to that. I am looking so much forward to that, because I believe that this year is a turning point for Neo. Neo will be turning from being a non-profitable company to a profitable company. Q4, it is that special quarter for Neo to turn to profitability, which is so many of the new investors, we are patiently waiting for that quarter, because we know by Q4 most of their models, most of their cars will be launched, and this will open so many deliveries coming to NIO. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. I think this is great for NIO. This is good news for NIO. 2025 is going to be a great year for NIO, and we are going to see NIO doubling sales. There are those that are still in denial, those that are not trusting that NIO can double sales, or the 221,000 cars they sold in 2024, they can double it this year. And boy, I must say, watch out, which is why I'm warning the best, which is why I'm warning the short sellers, because the NIO is serious when it comes to selling these, or when it comes to doubling their cars. And boy, I must say, those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Those that are taking the lot, trading share prices opportunities to increase more shares will most likely to be the ones to be rewarded with time. And of course, these are just my opinions. I'm not saying go and obviously buy NIO. It's up to you. I'm not certified to tell you what to do with your money, but me and some of the few investors who are going to consider the non-trading prices or opportunities to load the boat. By the way, as I'm doing this video, NIO is up 1.5%, trading at $4.30, and hopefully we end the day on a green, man. I mean, NIO, it's that company that has been beaten down quite sharply by short sellers and these other institutions that want to take an advantage or buy NIO when it's this low. But once again, to me, I'm not worried. We remain long, we remain strong on NIO, because we know that blue sky is indeed coming. Do your own due diligence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I'll see you in my next video, and God bless you all.